I'm going to review some problems on 5-1 and take some examples and how they could be better. So when it says constant rate of change, it's not asking for yes or no, it's asking for the slope. The reason this one was counted wrong initially is because slope is a simplest form. So 4/1 should have been written as 4. Okay, ruler equation, some of you wrote y, some of you wrote f of x. If up here it says f of x, then this should say f of x. So that should have been f of x equals 4x plus 2. And you're getting your 4 from here, and then you're having to come over here and figure out what your b is. F of -4, you go to your -4, you copy down your -14. F of -3, you're going to have to use this equation that you found, plug in -3 to get that equation, or to get that value. So slopes are in simplest form. Moving on, here state the domain and range. From now on, if it is not in set notation, least to greatest, it will be counted wrong. So this needs to have set notation. It also must say -3 down here, so -6, -3, 4, 5. In set notation from least to greatest. On this one, from now on, if you repeat your 2, it will be counted wrong. So let's get where set notation is in, or domains and range are in set notation, listed from least to greatest. Here we are calculating slope. A lot of these were counted wrong. -6/3 would be simplified to -2. -4/8 would be simplified to -1/2. 0 divided by 2 is simplified to 0. And -6/8 is simplified to -3/4. From now on, all your slopes need to be a value with no letters in it, and it needs to be a simplified fraction. Do not give me decimals, and do not give me improper fractions. Sorry, do not give me, leave them as improper fractions. Do not give them to me as mixed numerals.